Hi, this is Patty from the sales office at Cypress Lakes in Lakeland, Florida. This listing is at 2526 Redbird Lane. You can see it has a painted driveway. It's a 2003 Homes of Merit. And if you look across the street, you got a very nice woods and water view. It's just under 1,300 square feet. The home itself is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, but the lanai on the back of the house is windowed with air conditioning, and it offers just under 400 square feet. So if you are a golfer, you will love this house, because to the left of the shed is an air-conditioned room for all of your golfing equipment. So let's head inside the house. There's a lot of upgrades to this house. Got a beautiful open living room, dining area, tape and texture walls, master bedroom, gorgeous tile master bath, linen closet, tile walk-in shower, and a really good size walk-in closet in the master. On the other end of this is what we call a split floor plan. So on the other end of the house, you have your guest bedroom. There's double pane windows throughout. Newer roof, newer air conditioner. This is the guest bath. It has a walk-in shower. Stainless steel appliances, French door with ice maker. And you can see it has, as we go around the kitchen, it has a lot of cabinet and counter space. No carpet in this house. Pantry above the stove microwave, pantry, washer dryer behind the closet doors. And then, as a bonus, off to the right is a beautiful walk-in closet. You can use it as storage for clothes or just a storage area. All right, let's go out to the lanai. Like I said, this offers just under 400 square feet. It is under air, glass windows. Heat and air conditioning out here. And this has a beautiful view of the golf course. It also has a maintenance-free covered deck out here. Steps to go down. And this is hole number 5 on the championship golf course. We have 2 golf courses right on site in Cypress Lakes. So this is a 2003 Homes of Merit. For a full list of all the updates and upgrades on this house, please call the sales team at 863 859-1431. This is Patty from Team Cypress in Cypress Lakes, and remember, nobody knows our community better than we do. Thank you.